Alright, YouTube lovers. Those of you who've been waiting to see this bitch run, today's your day. Shit, that was pretty. Give her some more Powerade. That's a Powerade. It's got some Exxon.
She fired right up and
fucking. Alright, go. I'm gonna shove some more juice in this bitch.
Hold on, Nate.
Alright, wait, what?
Get some more charge in it.
Alright. Needs a good. Yeah.
More charge. That was funny. Boom. Fire right the fuck up.
We'll get her going.
Fucking windshield, bitch. I got a new windshield.
She got here somehow. Yeah, somebody tried to break in and steal her radio. Yeah, get her charging. Oh, this 350. Paul, want to narrate our tour here?
What?
Give him a tour of the 350. You got no chains on this side. Got some nice body on here. Got the boom. And this